I'm making some coffee. Italian roast with my favorite coffee cup. Yo, KEURIG, sponsor me. You take this. Yeah, close the sucker. You hit 8 ounce. Then boom. We're about to make coffee. That's my favorite cup of all time. I only use this coffee cup. Let's see some magic. Oh yeah. The best part. Hee hee. Yeah, get in that sucker. Oh yeah, it's steaming. Haha. Y'all know my fan mail address. Send me coffee if you want to. I love coffee. Coffee or soda. Like I said, this is KEURIG. Let me get a action shot over here. Hee. It's not all the way full, but that's good enough. Pop the top on this whore. And you take out this part. I always cool it down so it don't melt in the trash bag. Yeah. Gonna throw this puppy in the trash. Hang on, I'm making a video. Bye, buddy. What'd you say? Oh yeah, here in Hagerstown, Indiana, they got some at the dollar store called it's a cola with coffee in it.
That would be downright gross.
That'd be nasty. Here we go. Time to burn my mouth. Oh yeah. Oh, that's hot. Felt like the devil just peed in my mouth.
Will you please open your...
What am I, a doctor?
Shut up.
Gonna perform surgery.
Make sure that it's closed and don't make sure I didn't drop nothing out there.
You're good.
Huh?
It's fine. Well, goodbye.